DMCC strongly condemned his statement, and also people of Manipur should not compromise of our people's struggle on this incident, because the security forces would never do that kind of action without the order from the high command. I, on behalf of the Delhi Meeting Coordinating Committee, as a convener of DMCC, would like to state that the statement made by the Chief Secretary of Manipur, and also said that by using the word deeply regretted on the issue of what happened on 20th May 2025. The army had actually tried to erase the name of Manipur from the Manipur State Transport Corporation. On that incident, Kokomi and the Manipur people have demanded that the the governor of Manipur should apologize to the people of Manipur, and the responsible, the DGP, Manipur Chief Secretary, and the Security Advisor should be forced to resign or transfer from Manipur. These are the main demand of the people of Manipur. But in that case, after 10 days of people's protests, general strike, and many people, women and mothers, were injured by the security forces, the Chief Secretary has already clarified the statement yesterday. In that statement, the MCC strongly condemned his statement, and also people of Manipur should not compromise of our people's struggle on this incident, because the security forces would never do that kind of action without the order from the high command, whether it may be from security force advisor or the governor or any of the top official of Manipur. In one of the meeting with the Imagi Maira and security advisor, it was already reported that resolution, that order was given after the meeting was held which was shared by the governor and attended by the Chief Secretary, DGP, and security advisor. That is why the army have actually forced to erase the name of Manipur inside the soil of Manipur. It was already stated, but now the Chief Secretary has actually lying to the people of Manipur, and they are trying to hide their mistakes, and it is not acceptable. And as a organization in Delhi who are working in Delhi to protect and defend Manipur, in the last 2 years in Delhi, as a responsible organization, Delhi Meeting Coordinating Committee would not accept such kind of irresponsible statement of the Chief Secretary. And also, we strongly condemn that on 2 days back, the governor has already flying from the airport to Manipur Kangla. He has no courage to go by road and meet the people, women of Manipur, Maira Paibis in Manipur. Instead of meeting them, he was actually trying to avoid the people, and it is also an insult to the people of Manipur. That is why we also strongly felt that governors should come out and apologize to the people of Manipur, and the 3 responsible officials must resign, and also or they should be transferred to any other state. And these are the demand which we have already demanded. And when we also met the representative of DMCC, also met the representatives of Kokomi and other Kokomi representative, and we had a meeting at Press Club of India. On that meeting also, we appreciated what Kokomi has actually spreading this movement, but we also clearly informed to the leaders of the Kokomi that today we should not compromise our stand, because this is a time we have to tell to the government that we have suffered enough. In the last 2 years, the government have not taken any action against in Manipur to restore peace and normalcy in Manipur, but now they are trying to erase the identity of Manipur inside the soil of Manipur. This is unacceptable. That is why we have to tell very clearly that we will not compromise about our identity, and those people who are trying to hide or abolish the name of Manipur, whether it is from the top official from the government of Manipur, they should be held accountable, and they should be forced to resign by the competent authority. This is our demand.